rather be smoking weed whenever we breathe.
What's your poppin'? What's up, guys? Your girl Shorter, and I'm back with another video. It's Get Ready With Me, kinda, sorta. Let's put this back instead of coming to the table. But that's much crap on this table. Hopefully y'all see what I'm wearing. These braids is old as shit now. I need to take them down. But I need to do videos, and I just got back from Atlanta, blah, 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 blah. So, see my hair, it's short, or whatever. It's so much product in my hair, but I'm just like, I might as well just wait to take it down and just do it all tomorrow. Take it down, wash it, and all that. So, because I got so much product in my hair and it's all hard, I put a little water, some not on my watch on Jackie's instant detangler. Detangler. I was gonna do 2 ponytails, but actually I might actually still do that. I just don't got no hairpins though, so that kind of sucks. Alrighty. And I don't got no hairpins, so this part just don't got that much water. So yeah, we finna just put this, you dig, in the ponytail like so. Okay, I can't see. Like that. Alrighty. Cause the girl can't see nothing. I'm gonna use gel this time because there's a lot of air boost in my hair already. She must didn't know that I had this. Hoot. Now my hair is pretty manageable, so you know, certain stuff don't work out for all hair types because everybody different. And everybody with manageable hair still can't accomplish this or could accomplish this, you know? It's just like, if your results don't come out like that, don't have a cow basil. Oh, somebody misses me. Yay. That's his first time ever liking one of my things. Anywho, it's my fake boo. Alright, so now we got her in a ponytail. Ooh, I shouldn't cut my hair off. And I know y'all see my hair in the old videos. Like, girl, what happened? Okay, so, bing. We got the little boshika at the top. And then I'm gonna add some. Okay, so I use Eco Styler for me and my daughter. Then now, I'm gonna pull out some little edges. I try to pull out as minimal as possible and whatever's gonna move the best. Like, yeah, type shit. Alright. I ain't never seen 2 edges look the same ever in the history of life. Good luck with that. Alright, I like to use the edge booster as a sealant and then go over everything with the freeze. Okay, edge. Alrighty, so that's how I do that. I use the edge booster as like a sealant, and then I use 3 different gels. Like, my hair is manageable, but baby, I think we're gonna make this one go this way today. Yeah. Yeah, because we only get 2 edge techniques. Alright. It just is a little different today because I'm not having the same edges. So, I was trying to do something different. Boom. Then, hold on. We got to tag out. Tag out. Just holding my phone up. Then, a spray. Because sealants. And then the freeze spray is going to keep everything together. Like so. Okay. Boom. Then it's going to freeze, dry. I'm going to take this one and attempt to braid it in because I'm going to see a man about a horse. That's my outfit. So, and he be snatching my wigs off, ponytails, everything. Everything gotta go, sis. He just do the most. And I just be sitting there looking like, sir, the fuck? He make me miss my hair. Cause now I be trying to do all that with like the growing stage, the in-between growing stages. Like, come on. It's weird. He don't get, niggas don't care. Guys do not care about that. That be us. That definitely be us. Like, for real, for real. That be us over caring about that, because niggas do not care. They just don't. And they never will. I kind of want this to be a braid. I'm not going to flex. So, let's see about connecting some hair together and making this a braid. So yeah, I just got back from Atlanta. That's why I have to go see a man about a horse today because I haven't seen him since last Wednesday, and we pretty much on 1 to 2 a week time together and shit. So this is the first time I actually really took something super slow, even though, well, mainly because I don't really want a relationship. So it's just like it works because he do his thing and I do mine, and it's not difficult. Well, yeah. I mean, I just got hoes and he got hoes too, and that's just what it is. And that's just what works right now. Like, and if y'all got situations like that but want a real relationship, you should not be in a situation like me. You should be in a situation where, more of a situation where y'all actually know that y'all going towards something. I can't necessarily say we're doing that. I don't know if I'm for it or against it. I really don't think. I just been taking life a day at a time, and I like it. Doing that, and I'm really not trying to work. I'm trying to work towards getting my life together. That's what's more important to me right now. And getting dick in between, helps. It helps with stress and anxiety and all that good stuff. Come on here, we can do this. That's not. I really want this to be together. Okay. I feel like I can do this. I feel like I got faith in myself. I hope y'all watching, because this is exactly how I get this out. I know this girl that was able to bring her braiding hair right back to life. I was shook. When I tell you shook, I was shook it. Like super shook. So now my plan is to want hair to be like this. But I'm not sure. No. I kind of do, actually. But I don't know how that's going to work. So we just going to braid it. Because I can just wait until my birthday and do my get my ponytail that I'm thinking about. I'm gonna have this girl I went to school with. She just had a baby. Her baby will be a couple months by then. So, but I think she's still working now anyway. Um, Somehow I do my hair for my birthday because I want like a raw ass ponytail. Either raw ass ponytail or raw ass bob. It's easier to separate. So boom. Okay. This is a little hard, y'all. Especially because this hair has been used and somehow got product in it. Okay, so you split the hair into 3 pieces or 2 pieces, and then you put the smaller piece. You just do this. So 1 piece is smaller because once we connect these 2 pieces, it's gonna be like one of these. So you take the smaller piece and you put it here, like this. You fold it, so it's like that. Then you put those 2 pieces together, and you put these 2 pieces together. Okay. I hope y'all can see. I hope it's easy enough. I know I ain't got no viewfinder and all that good shit. So then I like to take the smaller piece and then turn it so I can grab another piece. And so now it's in 3 separate pieces. And this is almost the same size as the other ones. So now that it's in the 3 separate pieces, you turn this one, put your finger through both of these, your thumb and your pointer finger. Do like that, and then you grab your hair, and you kind of just wrap it, and you grab your hair. I don't know, wait, what I'm trying to say. It's so much harder to do when you're going in slow motion. Hold on. Okay, that's that piece. Okay, so now you wrap 1 piece around, and then you grab the top piece, which you cover your hair with, so can't nobody see that shit. Then you grab the other piece and go under, over, under, over, under, over, and boom. Oh dang! You know what? I'm gonna use some of this hair I got over here because I was supposed to leave out a piece to wrap the top so it don't look so suspect. Forgot about that part. So yeah, then you just start braiding. I'm not gonna braid it too tight because you see it's already kind of nappy. So, and I actually like looser, bigger braids anyway. Come on. And then if I do a looser, it'll be so much easier. It's just harder to do because the hair is just like, if it was fresher hair, it'd be so much easier and better. Alright, you gotta add hair when that piece gets too long. You just add hair by the closest piece. Hopefully y'all just saw that because trying to explain braiding is a little difficult. That was just actually super duper hard. Well, not super duper hard, but it was a little hard though. Alright, and now I'm going to use this hair to wrap around at the top so it's thicker for one. Especially since this braid is loose. This is a little hard. Just a little bit. I was thinking about doing my makeup, but I actually might not give my face a break. I really haven't been wearing makeup. Probably just gonna throw in some lashes. Let me see. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so now I'm gonna take these extra pieces I got over here on the floor that I could connect without it from here. I'm just trying to put this hair in like, ooh, I know how I did it, but I don't know how to explain that to y'all. So anyway, if you smart enough, just next time you should leave some hair out and don't be slow like me and forget that step. Go away. Ooh. I'm just gonna try to wrap it so I can't even have the parts that I tweaked on. Damn. There we go. My hair's all over it though. Alright, and then like everything is actually just gonna come this way. I think I am gonna do my makeup because I really didn't even do my makeup, and I was gonna say Miami. And let's just pull all of you to the side. Bang bang. Alright, probably this way. Bam.